Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Surpilin Ajamang. I'm 49 years old. I'm married. I have 17 years old daughter. I'm from Philippines. I, I have work experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. I take care elderly, a pupu. I change her diaper, taking a bath her, and feeding also. I do also household chores like cleaning, ironing, laundry, go to market, and cooking. My second experience is here in the Philippines. I work as a helper taking care of elderly, age 70 years old. I always assist her when she go out, like going to market or in the park. I do also cleaning, laundry, cooking, ironing, and gardening. My last message, Mom, sir, if you hire me as your helper, you can expect to me I'm hardworking, honest, patient, trustworthy, and I promise to follow your house rules. Thank you so much, sir, ma'am, and God bless you.